Today, we'll discuss some of the critical components required to operate a gasoline direct injection, or GDI engine. Engines with GDI form the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Air flows into the combustion chamber during the intake stroke. Then fuel is sprayed into the combustion chamber through the special injection valves. In this video, we'll focus on the GDI system, and we'll show you how to properly diagnose system failure and properly service the system. Bosch is the leading provider of GDI components in the market. Bosch GDI systems enhance responsiveness and provide greater driving dynamics. Bosch GDI can improve power and torque by allowing higher compression ratios in the cylinder, and when combined with turbocharging, smaller displacement engines can produce power equivalent to much larger conventional engines while reducing fuel consumption up to 15%. Scavenging is a system innovation from Bosch that works to counteract turbo lag. When implemented, this provides up to 40% more torque at low speeds. All Bosch GDI components include the Bosch name and logo on the part. All components that are made in the USA are manufactured in Charleston, South Carolina. To ensure you have the best quality, buy genuine Bosch product. Symptoms of possible GDI system failure include rough or inconsistent idle, a lack of power upon acceleration, loss in fuel economy, a fuel delivery fault code, or cylinder misfire. For safety purposes, there are no manual checks of the high-pressure system. This should only be monitored with a scan tool. While low-pressure system checks can be performed, we recommend that you consult your vehicle manufacturer's recommended procedure. Use a scan tool to identify fuel-related diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, stored in the engine control module. If the DTC is not enough to determine a faulty component, you may utilize parameter identification data, or PID values, such as fuel pressure, injector pulse width, and fuel trim, with manufacturer's specifications or known good values, if specs are not published. When diagnosing a faulty GDI system, you should start by comparing the required system pressure against the actual pressure. As you can see, the actual fuel rail pressure is not meeting the desired fuel rail pressure, indicating there is an issue with the high-pressure pump. If the low side fuel pressure is within specification and you are not achieving the specified high side pressure, then the high-pressure pump may be defective. Some typical failure modes for GDI injectors are similar to port fuel injectors, such as injector stuck closed, injector stuck open, injector leak rate out of tolerance, or injector coil resistance out of tolerance. Consult the Bosch GDI Solutions website at boschforgdi.com for specific diagnostic procedures related to a high-pressure pump. Traditional diagnostic procedures can help identify component failures. Additional application-specific and component-specific diagnostic procedures can also be found on the Bosch GDI Solutions website. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit the boschautoparts.com website.